What's up guys, here's a quick little unboxing video of my Leopold FC660MPD. This is a 66 keys mechanical keyboard, basically a 65% mechanical keyboard with the arrow keys. Leopold is a Korean brand, but this particular keyboard was made in Taiwan, as it's written in the back down there. Um, yeah, let's go over the box real quick. Very nice looking box. It does have the picture of the keyboard. Uh, yeah, this is a black model. If you look over here, I picked the black model, and what else does it say? English keyboard, and you can pick the Korean version if you want, and then Cherry Max Blue. I went for the blue because I'm more focused into typing. Uh, yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. Leopold, as a company, they're best known to have the have the very good stabilizers on their keycaps. Um, okay, get the plastic cover. First things first is the keyboard. There it goes, and it is clicky and loud. About the stabilizer I was talking about, you can tell that they do really have the best stabilizer. No matter where you click on the where you press on the keyboard, you can where you press on the space bar, you can tell that that it is not a joke. It's got really good stabilizer. It's awesome. This is really good. It is clicky as well. You can hear the click. It's not as loud. It's not as loud as most people say they are, because most people say, Cherry MX Blues are the loudest. Yes, they are loud, but it's not too bad. Just take a listen. It's not too bad. It's not too bad, man. So in the back, you do have the stand, which you can pop open. They're rubberized, so if you place it on the desk, it's not going to be moving around. It's got a bit of weight to it, which is very nice to see. And it has the micro USB cable. USB Type C would have been nice, but no complaints here. Um, let's see what else we get in the box. There's the USB cable. And then there's some key pull. Sorry, the keycap puller, and then you have the control key, and then caps lock key. And then the manual inside, which I don't really need. Okay, now I do have the RK71 here, which is also a 65% keyboard. Now this one's got Cherry Max Red. Obviously, red is a lot quieter than blues, but the good thing about blues is that you get sort of a click feel before you get that clickiness, which is very satisfying to hear, and it is very satisfying when you type. It's clicky, but it's very satisfying. It's like fucking music to my ears. In terms of the reds are really good for typing and also for gaming as well. Most people prefer reds for gaming. The only problem that I found with the reds is when I'm touch typing. For example, I wanted to press E. Sometimes I hit E and R both at the same time, and you press it a little bit, and then both keys register, which is kind of annoying. And it's just something that you can get used to. I got used to it pretty quickly, but it is something to note, and it's kind of annoying. It gets annoying if you're like typing really fast. A little misplaced, it will mess up your whole rhythm, I should say. Other than that, this is actually really good. You can get the RK71 with RGB lighting if you want. Um, but yeah, yeah, I would say, yeah, I'm not gonna like judge right now, but in terms of feel and typing experience, I'm gonna have to do some typing. But first impression, I really like the blue switches. The clickiness, it's really nice. I actually really like it, so I'm gonna try it out. If you want to know more about it, just ask it in the comment section. Ask any question in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. Peace out, guys. Have a good one.